Today we got a video from Primary Officer, and the title of the video is Grandma hid Walmart items in her pants.
I need you to stop for me.
The Walmart staff here said they've been watching you stuff items into your clothes that are not paid for.
Yes.
Police were called after Walmart employees spotted an older woman hiding store items inside her pants. When officers stopped her, she calmly admitted where everything was hidden, but her explanation quickly raised more questions.
Hi. Ma'am? Ma'am? I need you to stop for me. Oops. I need you to stop for me.
Okay.
Can we go back inside, please? No.
Ma'am, I'm officer of the police department. I'm going to be frank with you right now, okay? Ma'am? Yeah. Okay. The Walmart staff here said they've been watching you stuff items into your clothes that are not paid for. Is this true?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have items concealed on you right now that you have not purchased and left Walmart store without purchasing them?
Yes.
Okay. And where are those items concealed at?
Here in my pant leg.
Okay. What are the items that you took from Walmart?
Pair of pants.
Pair of pants? Okay. What else did you take?
A couple envelopes of tuna, I guess.
Okay.
Okay. We're going to separate these.
No one's gonna use gloves? She's grabbing it from her. Come on, man. Yo, where's the gloves?
What all is in that bag there that you put in there? Those bars of some sort?
Yes.
Okay. Hand that to Officer Hidalgo, please. Okay. I'm going to remove this cart from you right now, okay? Do you have an ID on you? Okay. Can you provide me with that, please? What's the reason you're taking these items?
Hey there. Who's going to be assisting?
I've never done it before. Do you want to get a bag to put that in?
Oh, yeah. We have to do a training with these two.
You guys know you don't like your ties, so you can buy
Stand a minute.
I can stay right there.
You're fine, yeah, you can stand. Yep.
Yeah, I just need to know the code so I can scan everything else.
And where's the receipt for all these items? Without reaching in, is it in here? No, is it this right here? Okay. Okay. Well, I'm gonna tell you right now, you are under arrest for retail theft, okay? So you can't steal items from retail establishments, a Class A misdemeanor in the state of Illinois, so you are being placed under arrest right now for retail theft. Is there anything else on you that we need to know of before we transport you? You can leave your purse off because you're gonna be placed in handcuffs here in a second, okay? Do you have anything else on you?
I'm going to end up searching you, so it's better to provide anything that you have on your person.
Just set it right there on the top of that fridge. Queen 400-592-51674. Queen 400-592-51674.
Unbelievable.
Is that your cell phone?
Yes.
That's not. Can you hand me that, please? That's not stolen? Okay. I'm gonna have the Walmart staff check these bags and make sure that everything in here is accounted for that's been paid. Is there any other items there?
There was one here. She's watching.
So everything's accounted for that's in the bag? Okay. Okay.
Is there anything else on your person? Because I am going to search you, ma'am.
Careful.
Got that.
Mayor, just so you know, like I said, you are under arrest for retail theft. And just want to tell you right now, you have the right to remain silent. You understand the rights that I've read them to you?
Yes.
Okay. Where's all the packaging for all these items that you didn't have? Okay. All right, go ahead and place your hands right.
Yo, this shit is crazy. Yeah. Yo, grandma got things hiding in the crotch, under the boob, everything. Grandma, she's stealing Tic Tacs, tuna, everything, bottles of drink, whatever she's stuffing everything in there, man. Damn. I wonder if they're gonna tell us the story about, if she's, why, why is she doing this? Is she homeless or something, or what's going on here? But damn, this is not a good look. It's not a good look, Granny.
I'm gonna have you.
I'm gonna encore.
That officer wild for not wearing gloves. She. Woo.
Okay. All right, if you face this wall here, Officer Doggo's going to search you. Make sure you don't have anything else on you. Do you have anything else going to poke, stick, or harm either of the officers here?
No.
Okay. Nothing else that you're aware of that's on you that should not be on you, correct?
No.
Okay. I always take the one log, one female, 1095.
What is this for you?
Short form, CQH over the radio.
Okay. Is it just the pull-up?
She said she stole pants. Did she put those?
Do you have any other pants? Is that what this is?
I have a disposable underwear on.
Okay, but you said you had pants that you had taken?
Oh. They fell down my pant leg.
Okay, I found them.
Here. So that's fine.
Is that okay? And then this is just a.
This is insane. The only time come on, man. Listen. Sometimes are there times where you might do a pat frisk without gloves? Yes, there is. When I was a CO, 90% of the time, 95% of the time, I'm doing it with gloves, but there are times where everything is moving so fast and then you're in a rush and it has to be done right then and there. You don't really have time. That's understandable. But something like this that is very slow paced and it's in a controlled environment. This is control. The officers are in complete control of the pace of how this is going to move and everything. She has enough time to put gloves on. You know what I mean? To search, do a proper, because you're in control. This isn't one of those you wrestling and you and you just gotta you wrestling with them on the ground, and since you got them on the ground now you can just check they pocket. It's not one of those. This is not one of those situations. So especially for something like this, you need to be using gloves. And she got things stuffed, pressed against her bare skin, crotch area, like all her privates. And you not gonna use no gloves, and then you're gonna go and do a pat frisk and still use no gloves and gotta reach in to grab it against her bare skin. You're not gonna. What's going on here? What is going on here? That's the only thing I'm thinking about this whole video. Where is her gloves, man? Damn.
Are you going to take the report, or you want me to?
I don't care.
I don't drive any of them.
I don't think so.
8.
I'm on the big clock. Whatever works for you guys.
I could take it for you. That's fine.
911.
And that's already been
So
accounted
they
for?
said, yeah, everything in
Everything in
here
here
is
is good.
accounted for with that
Okay.
receipt.
Awesome.
So I guess.
I do need to take a picture of the
You
items.
also have that address.
I don't know what all you've scanned, if you've scanned
I
everything.
scanned everything that I've seen.
Okay.
When's the last time you were arrested?
That way I could take a picture of all of it together.
So this is actually, we're missing 3 bars to make 2 boxes.
How long you been coming here stealing? How long you been coming here? Okay, how long you been coming here putting stuff in your clothes since you believe they're overpriced? How long has that been going on? Quite a while.
Yes.
Is this something too?
No, so
Okay.
this is Narcan. It should probably be put somewhere. I found it up here.
Okay, thanks.
It was with the
Okay.
That's nice. I'm sorry.
What's the unpaid pants?
The highest item.
Highest.
$21.98.
Is the,
What is it though? What item is it?
The pants.
The pants? Okay.
we'll take that as evidence, huh? Did you get a training receipt already?
No,
He's good and
I think he's working on it.
Training receipt? You guys have a
break
Walmart
it
grandmother or something you can have it? Or just family?
Jude.
I do. They need just 2 seconds.
Right, I'm gonna take this to my squad and start loading it up.
That's fine, we don't need anything else, I'll get, just paper out those spot and
Did I put my stuff in my car?
We could do that
we'll
afterwards.
do that after. That's gonna be secured in our squad car, you're gonna be transported to the police department, processed, and then we'll bring you back up here and make sure you leave Walmart property. As of now, you are banned from all Walmart properties. You cannot return to any Walmart in the United States, or you'll be charged and arrested for criminal trespass. Okay, that's a lifetime ban. You cannot go to Sam's Club, Walmart, anything that's owned by the Walmart Corporation, you're no longer allowed at. Okay? So go ahead and follow us. We're gonna go out to those.
Damn, how you messed that up? A Walmart ban? Everybody love Walmart. You know what I'm saying? Walmart's all right. Walmart's all right. When you really want to step up your game, then you step your game up to Target. Oh, yeah.
Squad car, okay?
So I have my purse and my keys.
Oh, that's all we're gonna stay in as property right now. You'll get all that one through the 17th.
Heading back to the PD. Can you take this with you? I just don't want to mix it up. Yeah.
She paid for a decent amount of stuff, too.
Yeah, the only thing was we didn't get the form, the
It's fine,
band
I
form.
banned her, so
Okay.
we'll just do that. I'm gonna get the names. I don't know if they put any names. Are there any names of the callers in there?
Just one.
Okay. I'll
I
just
believe.
confirm with that for you.
The woman was charged with retail theft after officers recovered several unpaid items hidden in her clothing. She was given a court date, released from custody, and banned from returning to Walmart.
Dang, man. Got banned from Walmart. That's, oh boy. How you messed that up? I'm gonna lie. All right, let's go do it, man. Dang. Anyways, all right. It's that time, all right? Jailhouse accountability scorecard, all right? Listen. 0, the closer you are to 0, means that you handled it perfectly, right? The closer you are to 10, crash out. So the higher the number, the worse you did. All right. So let's go. We got 6 categories here: compliance, attitude, self-control, truthfulness, safety, risk, wasted chances. All right. And we're going to score it out of 10. Let's go, man. All right. So for compliance, we got 3 out of 10. All right. The reason is, once stopped, she mostly cooperated. She answered questions, handed over items, and did not physically fight the officers. The jig is up. She got it. The jig is up. Okay. She tried to, keep scrolling, and the lady had to stop her, the officer stop her, but it pretty much went smooth. Okay. Attitude, 3 out of 10. Okay. She was not screaming or insulting anybody. The issue was more the casual attitude towards stealing than how she treated police. Okay, this was nothing out of the ordinary. This was probably as good as a shoplifting suspect could act, you know, attitude wise. It wasn't too crazy. It was nothing happened. Okay, very uneventful. Okay, self-control, 5 out of 10. So middle of the road. All right, middle of the road. Stuffing items into my bad. Stuffing items into clothing shows poor impulsive control, especially when she later suggests this had been going on for quite a while. All right, so this is not, I don't know if you heard the little side conversations and stuff like that they were having, but this is not her first time shoplifting. Okay, so there we go. Self-control. Anyway, truthfulness, 4 out of 10. Okay, she admitted a lot, but the I forgot that moment is, you know, with the pants and stuff like that. But the I forgot that moment and the missing items make it feel like the officer still had to keep pulling the full truth out. Okay, she was taking things out, but I forget that. How do you forget the pants that's pressing against your leg, that's falling down your leg? Like, come on, man. And then you initially gave some things up, but then you had to go dig in got to go reaching in here, you know. Come on, man. Just be completely upfront. The jig is up. All right. So that was 4 out of 10. Where we at? Safety risk. Okay. 2 out of 10. Very, very low. All right. This was low risk compared to a fight, DUI, or a weapon situation. Still, hidden items on a person always require officers to search carefully before transporting, right? You know, especially a theft and stuff like that, you definitely want to do a thorough search with gloves. Okay, with gloves. Boy. But that's that. Like I said, this is very low risk. Nothing happened. Very uneventful. Okay. Wasted chances. Okay. 8 out of 10. This was completely avoidable. Okay. She could have paid, especially because she paid for a lot of the stuff. Most of the stuff she had was paid for. The thing she stole was like Tic Tacs and stuff like the pants was like the biggest thing, you know, but anyway, this was completely avoidable. She could have paid, put the items back, or left the store empty-handed. Instead, she walked herself into a retail theft charge and a Walmart ban. You got to be a real F up to get banned from all Walmarts. All Walmarts? Damn, normally it's like the one near you or whatever, like all Walmarts. I mean, you've been doing this. You got a track record, man. But anyways, final jail score, 25 out of 60. Converted score is 4.2 out of 10. Okay. How you get your converted score is you take the jail score. So 25 divided by 60 times 10. That's going to give you 4.16. We round up 4.2. Okay. It's low. All right. This is, like I said, this right here was granny, you know, it was uneventful. Okay. It wasn't the over the top shebang and the yelling and the hooting and the hollering and the, you know, the officers had to pull things out of her a little bit. She was given, but you know, you definitely had to pull some more truth out of her. But overall, this was very smooth sailing. Okay, so my score is 4.2 out of 10. Let me know your score in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.